Chat with a doctor.
Excuse me, is there a doctor available?
Yes, what seems to be the problem?
I suddenly feel very weak.
When did you start feeling this way?
About an hour ago.
Do you have any other symptoms?
I feel dizzy and have a headache.
Have you eaten anything today?
No, I skipped lunch.
You may need some food and water.
I also feel very tired.
Please sit down and rest for a moment.
Okay, thank you.
I'll check your blood pressure.
Is it very high?
Your reading looks normal.
That's good to hear.
Drink some water slowly.
I will.
You should also eat something light.
I think I need to take better care of myself.
Yes, regular meals and enough water are important.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Please rest for a while before you leave.